So, good day, Ma'am MJ. This is the code for our serial monitor project. I will start. So, already we defined three pins. So, the green one is the number two, which is the digital pin, and the yellow pin would be the number three, and then the red pin would be the number four. So, this would allow the code to interact with our Arduino, then it would communicate using our serial monitor. And here we define a string which has a variable name com data. So this one acts as a insert for our it reads the input from the serial monitor back to the Arduino, and then the Arduino would read the string and it will display a light. So I will also um, explain the uh, in the latter. So here in the void setup, so we just put the pin mode here. So the pin mode is output since we are going to show the light. So the three LED, and then we have the serial begin, which this acts as a display for our serial monitor. And then here in the void loop, we have a statement or a conditional statement if serial available, which means that if our serial monitor is open, it will put the it would read the input until the enter key is pressed. So here com data, which is our um, the the reader of our input, serial serial read string. This is for to read, and then we have the trim function, and then we have the print in function, which is the com data. So it will echo the input. So we have basic a conditional else if else. So here, if the input is red, so the digital write would be the red pin, then high, then the rest is low. And then if we put the com data yellow, the rest red green would be low, then the yellow would be high. And then if our com data is green, then we would have then the green would only be high and the rest is low. And if else, or meaning our input is invalid, so all of the LED would turn off. So I will show you how did I did it, or how our output in short. So this is the output for our activity. So here we have the default state of our LED, so which is off. And then in our serial monitor, we have display type red, yellow, or green. And then if I type lowercase red, and this is the output. So if I type again yellow, so if we want to display the yellow LED here, so this would display our yellow LED uh, light. So if we want to display the green, then this would be the output.